Hello everyone, Amanda here. Wasn't sure if it was recording then. I've just come on, it's very early in the morning. I'm having my brew, I'm just hiding what the slogan that's on the cup because it's got a bad word. And I was woken up this morning by the postman. I haven't had Happy Mail for it, what feels like forever. But I'm being really spoilt because Ian sent me something at Christmas. So this has come all the way from Australia. It is Australia, isn't it? Let me just check. No, it's not New Zealand. Australia. From a lovely lady called Pam. I won't say her surname in case you don't want mentioning. Not everybody does, you know. Oh, wow, look at this lovely card. How cool is that? It's a handbag. Or if you're in America, a purse. We'll have to discuss the difference between a handbag and a purse one time. Oh, wow, that is so cute. Does that open or is that... It does. Oh, there's no money in there, Pam. I'm only kidding. I've just seen how much it's cost you to... it does open. To post. Oh right, I see. So it goes through there like that. Oh, let's have a look. Just a little thank you mail for all the kind things you do for us. Love, Pam. Just Add Lace on YouTube. So yeah, so if you want to go and find Pam, her YouTube channel is Just Add Lace. So you can go and have a look. How fab's that card? Definitely. Handmade by Honeybee Crafting, so that must be like a crafting name. That is absolutely beautiful. I might have to steal that idea. You know I'm going to steal that idea, Pam. Right, so she sent me... So the discussion started, I think she shared her huge collection of the Little Golden Books, which are quite... collectibles over in America. I think they're a little bit like in the UK we've got Ladybird books. It's that kind of a thing where there's small storybooks and there's billions of them. And obviously some people make journals out of the vintage ones. I've never ever seen one in real life. And so she said she'd send me some. She'd got quite a library of them and I was quite jealous. So I think this is a journal that she's made. It weighs an absolute ton, and then I think she said she was going to send me one of the little books so that I could alter one myself. So let's have a look at the little books then. We'll look at Pam's beautiful journal. I will be messaging Pam and offering to contribute or pay for the postage because it's cost her a lot of money to send this. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. She's made some little tags. Those are lovely. Ah, I like those. Can you see them? How cute. Now, please forgive my ignorance. I know very little about the Little Golden Books. I did look them up online, you know, and it just said they were, you know, little books. So the chipboard books, and they're only little storybooks, but some of them, you know, they're very collectible and people alter them and make journals out of them. Oh, wow, they're actually really cute. So I've got one called Tootle, the Little Red Caboose, which is a little engine. Look, and I suppose that's why they're called Little Goldens, because they've got golden spines. Correct me if I'm wrong, but, you know, I'm using my intuition here. The Saggy Baggy Elephant, I think that's me. And Scuffer, oh wow, thank you. I think I'll have to hoard those for a little while on my bookshelf. How pretty are those spines? I suppose that the lovely spines there are the beauty of altering them. And I don't know, maybe there's a lot of them around. Some are valuable, I know some are quite valuable, but maybe some of the less valuable ones, there's just loads of them and so people use them. But how cool are those? Thank you. I can say I've got some Little Golden Books now. Oh, how lucky am I? It's not what you know, it's who you know. And I have to say, Pam's collection was very, very impressive. It was huge. Right, let's have a look. I think she's made me a journal. You'll have to excuse me sipping my coffee. I'm sorry if you can hear me gurgling it, but it's quite early. And I need to keep warm. It's been snowing again here. Obviously, you know, it's English problem snow. It's about that deep. So we're all like, oh my god, it's snowing. You know, like it's some bigger. And then there's those people over in like Canada or wherever, they're like, we have more snow than that in summer. I have actually been to Canada. I went to Alaska and parts of Canada and on the way. And it was apparently really weirdly warm. It was sunny and it was nice. We're walking around in t-shirts. Oh, look at this. So she's used the cover of a little golden book. Oh, that's just got a little bit squished in the mail. It's fine, it's alright, it'll bend back into place. It's quite sturdy chipboard covers, these. Oh, wow. Look at this charm. How stunning is that? So yeah, she's obviously used the covers, split them and made a larger spine, and we've got two. This is massive. This is bigger than journals that I make. Look at the lovely colourful lace all down the edge in there. So it is Christmas themed, but you know, it's taken a while to get here, and obviously, you know, she were finishing it, so I'm not bothered if it's not Christmas. And this ribbon says, do not open until the 25th of December. Well, I think I'm good to go, don't you? Oh, this charm's absolutely stunning. It's got a Father Christmas there, and oh wow, just lovely. And Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, how lucky am I, this is ace. Oh, lovely. I think that's one of my digitals. I think it is. I think that is as well. Oh, lovely. Yeah, I think that's one of mine. She's made a little photo mat there. Oh, look at the penguin. I love penguins. They're my favourite animal. We've got this lovely red lace, and then I don't know what she's put down there. It looks like stickles, or is that just the paper? I think it's on the paper. Beautifully lined there with that spine super tidy. You've done a good job there. Not that I'm analysing your work, but okay. Oh, she's turned it into like a journal. Not a journal, an album. So you can put your photos. Oh, how cool. Oh, I like this. There's another one there. Oh no, it flips. I'm trying to pull it and it's a flip. Oh, how cool. Oh, wow. This is lovely. And then this is obviously the front cover. So she's obviously used the pages as well of the book. So what I should imagine the process is that she's dismantled the covers, then separated the pages, and then she's used some of the pages of a little golden book, amongst other stuff, to make the journal. So that's obviously, that's one of my digitals. Oh, I like that. So I think she's photocopied covers of books and shrunk it down to make these little cards, which is fine for personal use as long as you're not selling them before anybody starts. Beautiful lace on every single page. Oh, look at these clear photo sections for photo mats. This is really something else, this. Wow, thank you. Really, really lovely. More pages of the story there, look. How cool. Oh, I'm going to have a go then. That's one of my cards. That's the Christmas card collection that I did. Yeah, a little stack pocket there. Photo mat. Oh, I'm absolutely loving this. And then we've got the pages in between. Right, I'll go through a little bit quicker and then I'll have a really good look myself, because I'm seeing it for the first time. I love this. I love the shape of this. How cool's that? Love it. And that's a belly band. Oh look, we've got a little pull tab there with a photo mat. That's like proper solid. Wow. Beautiful. I love it. It's so colourful and there's so much to look at. And it's not out of one kit and you've used the book and I just love it. A lot of work gone into this. It must have taken you ages. That looks like a Christmas card. Beautiful. Right, let's get through a bit quicker. I can't stop myself looking at it though. How awesome is this? So that's one signature. Definitely not me having a look how she's done it. And if she's sewn it in, she's sewn it in. I like to know how things are made, me. That's so pretty. And you can still, obviously, you can still read the story as you're going through as well. How cool's that? I will love it. I like that. Ah, that's one of mine. Ah. There's a tag in there. Is that one of my tags? Yeah. Oh. How fabulous. I love this shit. I don't know what that is, but it's fabulous. I love it. She's bound it with, I think, I don't know. I'd like to say she's sewn it and then done it again with the twine. Not that I'm analysing it. I'm analysing it to see how it's done because that's how you get ideas. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I like that black paper. Right, let's try and go a bit quicker. Oh. Pockets and flips, and you can put photos on. So it's like you could use it as like a December daily. I still use this. I've got a new grandchild coming this year, and so I'm going to save this for next Christmas, and I'm going to take photos of all my grandchildren next Christmas with the new one. And I shall add them to this, and that is lovely. That will sit beautifully on my bookshelf. Thank you so much. I don't have many what I call full journals. When people send me stuff, they often send me, you know, little folios and things like that. You know, obviously, but not a great big journal like this. That's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. And so much work, and it's so pretty. And then the lovely little golden box. How excited am I? I'll have to have a good long hard think, and then I'm going to steal the design of this. I'm going to figure out how to make it myself. I think she's used a die. That's absolutely lovely. Very, very detailed, very clean work. So nip on over to her YouTube. I don't even know if I'm subscribed. I'll have to go and have a look. Just Add Lace, I'm sure I am. I'm sure that I'm following her. And go and say hello to the lovely Pam. And what beautiful, beautiful work. I don't know if she makes journals to sell. But if she does and you see one, you want to snap it up because her work's beautiful. That is something else. It's absolutely brimming with stuff, and it's super heavy. So thank you, Pam. I am super, super grateful for those. I can't express how grateful I am at you sending these all the way from Australia. Can't believe it. You're so, so kind. Thank you. Right, I'll stop there waffling, and I'll finish my brew in my naughty cup, and I'll see you all again very soon. If you're in the UK, you know, stay warm, keep wrapped up, put the heating on, never mind the cost, and we'll worry about that later. And take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.